Hello everybody and welcome back to another Caroline and Friends YouTube video. And we are back at the beach. Ow! So we're back at the beach and I'm already out in the ocean. Something smart, right? Yeah. So everybody, there's Mom chilling in the sand. So yeah. So we're about to go out and look a bird. Alright, let's go guys. Let's go! Woo! Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Oh! Oh! Okay, hopefully the phone does not actually have something bad happen to it. Alright, we're out here. Okay, we're good. We're fine. We'll be fine, guys. Let's go out in the ocean. Oh no, guys! Oh no! We're fine. We'll be fine. Okay. Oh, guys. Okay. Mom's waiting. Hopefully I don't have y'all. I don't think this water's good for y'all. Ooh. Severe thunderstorm warning. That's great. I don't know what okay, that's great. Ooh. Let's go so far out. So far. Oh no! You guys just got splashed. Are you okay? Okay. Whoa. Okay, that was just like a little tap foot wave. Tap your feet and you'll go flying. Okay. I almost went under. Oh no, guys. Whoa! Okay, we're good. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll be fine. Whoa! I almost pulled you guys. Okay, no. Okay, we're fine. How many times have I said okay in this video? Okay, guys. I said it again. Guys, go! Oh! Got smacked by a wave. We love getting smacked by waves, don't we? Okay, so about that's wonderful. Oh! Y'all just got splashed. Okay, great. Oh, come on out. Woo! Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, there's a huge wave coming, guys! Oh, no. I'm trying my best to keep y'all out of the water. Oh! Y'all! Oh my gosh. The water is like very high tide right now, so well, extreme high tide water. Are you okay? I hope so. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. We'll be fine. What are they doing out there? That's funny. Oh! Y'all have very fun. Oh, alright, guys. Oh my gosh. Huge waves coming. Those guys are drinking beer out right in the ocean. That sounds actually fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, guys, this is a bad idea. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, bye.
Hey guys, so I know I don't look the best right now because my hair, but we just got out of the ocean and we are dressed to go to dinner at Merle's Inlet. But so I will let you guys know what we're doing and I'll film everything, so yeah. And by the way, I got sunburnt, like
I was trying to say.
Yeah, people walking around. Goats. We are going.
Music, goats, waterfront diamond.
Everybody, we are at Merle's Inlet, and there is like so many piers. Wicked tuna over there, the claw house over here, dead dog over there. I know that sounds wrong, but there's like an island with goats, and I know that sounds really weird, but we are going to the restaurants. See you guys there. Here, guys. Look at this. There's a wicked tuna over there. We love wicked tuna, right? Look, a floating playground. A floating playground? Oh, there's some ships, guys. We love ships. A floating playground. Guys, there's a floating playground. That's very cool. We got the restaurants. No trespassing. But yeah, there's the big old pier. So I will see you guys whenever something else cool happens. There once was
But over here is where the
was a belly of tea. The winds blew up her boat, up down below my belly boy's bow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our guys, there's another pirate ship. The Wellerman pirate ship. Almost 3 years ago, we ate on that very deck.
Yeah.
We sure did.
Yeah.
We sure did. The Dead Dog Saloon. What? Running goats on an island at the beach. What can be any better? What it's like to be at Merle's Inlet. So many people. We love the restaurants with the really cool lights. I just missed it. There was a giant fish that they had. They're cleaning the tables. Yeah. Guys, there's a drone. Many years ago, I had a big, good memory with this dude. We gotta retake the picture. We love you, Bubba. Guys, we're at Drunken Jack's. What do you got to say to the people? You like Drunken Jack's? I think you do, because I think your name is Jack and you are the drunken. Look at this Drunken Jack's, bro, y'all. Look at the boat, guys.
country roads.
Look at the boat, y'all. Look at all the people. Say hi. Say hi. Virginia. Guys, there's a kidnapper. Nope, there's no business promoted. This kidnapper. Yes, sir. Yeah, it smells so good right now. We're going in. We're going into the place. Oh, guys, we're here. This place is so sick. Ooh, we're going in. Oh my Lanta, y'all. I remember being here too. I remember being here. Jack. Hello, Jack. I have a flashlight, but it's okay. I'm probably gonna get yelled at for taking pictures.
Hey yo, rich boy check. Guys, we are downstairs. Well, not officially downstairs. We're middle stairs because that's downstairs. But we are downstairs. There is a bar, fancy chairs, really cool everything, and so yeah, we're really excited. The garnishes. We love garnishes. What? Guys, I'm ordering a strawberry daiquiri. It's fizzy. There's something about this place I don't like. And I don't know why. Maybe it's because there's a bar and people are drinking beer and alcohol. I feel better because I just saw a grandma walk by. The bartender is hot. Is that an octopus? Hey yo, rich boy check.
Guys, I got my dad. They gave me a pirate's hat at the bar. And somebody asked for my ID. Cherry.
think it's lucky money.
Oh, what?
You like?
I don't know how I feel about that.
But I was leaving it before I saw it. So what do we think? It's so good. No one's ever gonna get the good scallops.
Guys, look what I am sitting next to. Smug Harbor. Smug Harbor. Atlanta guys.
Already had.
They brought the hush puppies.
What's so funny? Oh, you're laughing at me.
It's so good. And I think Dad agrees. Guys, our food is here. I just got my cheeseburger. Yo, it's incredible.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's fireworks outside. There's fireworks out there. Okay, y'all, we are exiting Drunken Jack's. I will let y'all know what happens next. It is currently talking to the moon. My pirate hat. Look. And look at that car over there. Sick, right? Nighttime on the inlet and pier and stuff. Vibes. Yeah. The Dead Dog Saloon. We should have ate in there. There's a full-on fish tank in there.